Nutrition, collard greens. I got what you need if you want it.
Cause I'm a pimp girl.
If you want it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another episode of What's for Dinner here in Chanel's kitchen. Today I'm going to show y'all how I made the most delicious, succulent, immaculate, just melt in your mouth, southern style candied yams, y'all. This is the best recipe in the world, I promise you. So let's just hop right in. For this recipe, you're going to need two kind of large and long sweet potatoes, and I already sliced them up and I'm just assembling them in my pan nice and beautifully, doing this cute little swirly thing, and it's just gonna make everybody think that you really know what you're doing in the kitchen, for real. Just the presentation is half of the battle, right? I thought that this was a cool little way to present the candy yams. I've never seen them done like this before, and I like to be a little extra, so I thought it was cute. After my little sliced sweet potatoes are assembled, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 1 cup of white sugar, half a stick of butter, and half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm also using half a cup of pure maple syrup. I did use salted butter, but I'm just going in with an extra pinch of salt, and now I'm just squeezing the juice of an entire orange and adding that as well, and then I'm going to bring this mixture to a light simmer, adding in the rest of my spices. I used clove, ginger, and nutmeg, and also a tablespoon of cinnamon. After I've added all of my spices, I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and well combined and allow this mixture to come to a light kind of rolling simmer. As soon as I have my simmer, I'm going to turn my heat off and add in my vanilla extract and my lemon juice. Usually I would have lemon extract, but child, it was a none at the store. When I tell y'all, none, because it's the holiday season, honey. But anyways, child, now that I have my sugar mixture ready, I'm going to pour it all over my sliced sweet potatoes. Make sure all sweet potatoes get some love. They all gonna get some love anyway once this goes into the oven, but you really want to make sure that you get in between the crevices because of the way that they're assembled. You want to make sure everything gets some love before it goes in the oven. So these babies will go into the oven on 350 for about an hour and a half. You kind of just want to gauge it. Just keep your eyes on it. So halfway through, this is what they look like. And I'm just going to go in and just kind of baste them in the sugar syrup. Make sure all of them are nice and evenly coated, especially at the top. Do this for a few minutes. Make sure everything is nice and saturated with the sugar syrup. You just really want to make sure all your sweet potatoes are getting the love and TLC that they deserve and need, okay? So these will go back into the oven for another 30 minutes, and when they come out, this is what they look like, y'all. Just so pretty, so delicious, so immaculate, and it just gets an A+ for presentation from me, child. This will impress anybody. If you ain't never made sweet potatoes before, try it this way. I guarantee you, people gonna ask you to make them for the rest of your life. It's really nothing to it but to do it. Please try this recipe. Tag me in it. Let me know what you think about it. And most of all, enjoy this with your family. And I pray that all of you all have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chanel's Kitchen. And I will see y'all in my next video. Until then, be sure to keep up with me on social media. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.